The numbers to call once again are 08094441035 or 08096661035. Call, your input is very much important in this one. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Your name and your location, sir.
Okay, this is Felix from Delta State.
Okay, right on.
Okay, I'm at Asaba, present currently.
Okay.
To me, what I see in this situation is something he has to use wisdom. He has to apply wisdom on it.
Yeah.
I know Monday, the sister told me is actually destroying or stopping most things.
Mm-hmm.
You get it?
Yeah.
So, but to me, he has to apply wisdom to do it.
Yeah.
So that it will not cost much, because it's just Monday.
Mm.
So that Monday will not spoil other days.
Yeah, it's already spoiling other days. If you listen to the analysis I just gave you, it's already affecting other days as well.
That is what I'm saying now. But if he takes, there is a way he will take it now. It will affect the other days, just like the Monday again.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. He should apply wisdom to negotiate with these people. If whatever they need to make this Monday to be off, he should try to agree with them and let him be done.
Okay. Thank you very much for your input, sir.
All right.
Thanks. It concerns you, it concerns me. We will say all we can say, and there might be something you will say that we don't even know about. So, call in 08094441035 or 08096661035. Yo, okay, let's get this one. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Your name and your location, sir. Okay. From Obunike, okay. Right on, sir.
Please, I'm just hearing what you people are saying. It's very, very nice.
Okay.
But that's a room on Monday. I don't like it. Please, let's get my government to do something about it.
Okay.
Not by violence. Let them do it peacefully so that people will not start buying. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your speech, sir. Thank you. While we wait for your input, I have a song here that I'll need you to listen to. It is from Peacemaker, Leonard Opala, and he calls this one Card Game. And this situation is like that for Anambra people. That's what the situation looks like right now. So take a listen to this song as Street Report continues to unfold. We are right here.